Pineapples, baby pineapples cleaned up, boots cleaned up. I gotta finish this one right here. As you can see, it got the boot on the back side there. Get all that done, clean that up. Bro, get off the bucket,
He had
bro.
me throw this on and to make it look like he's up there cutting.
Man,
He ain't
whatever,
cutting that.
bro.
He
Who
lied.
ain't cut that? Whatever, man. Look. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Let me get that. No, I'm not editing nothing. I give it raw, bro. Just like this. I don't edit nothing. All our conversations, none of them are edited. None of it, bro. None of it. Okay. Go on up here and finish this. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I'm looking at you, Tiny. Little tater tot. That's tater tot right there. That's little tater. Little tater. Oh, shit. Anyway. Y'all know what it is. Every day. Get this money.